Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Mousie. I will read to you by Rachael, Cole, and Melissa Crowton. Please enjoy. Mousie, I will read to you. Long before the words make sense, Mousie, I will read to you the simple story about an acorn that dropped to the ground. While we were rocking, I will whisper in your ear a sentence about a soft rain coming down. When summer comes and you are tired from swinging on the swings, I will sing you a lullaby about the sun fading slowly while the sky fills with stars. In the middle of the night, when your crying fills the room, I will read you a poem about the quietest forest, where the only sounds are the crickets whispering sha, shay, sha, shay, just for you. When morning comes, I will fill your listening ears with words about sun dyeing dew off the grass and clearing away the cold and dark of night. Before you know it, Mousie, you're da-da-dees and da-da and ba-ba-bees sound like jazz. I will answer back as you smile with words that echo yours like daddy and a bumblebee. Your first words fall out of your mouth like treasure. Dad, dad, baby, bye bye. I will scoop them up and write them down. Soon after you turn to on a foggy neighborhood walk, you tell me there's a tree, and I will answer it's a strong oak. The squirrels love to play in it. After bath time, cozy in pajamas, you'll climb into my lap, asking for the book about the bear. The day falls away. It's just you and me and the rhythm of the words. I will take you to the library near a playground. And now that you're a big boy, you will pick out your own book. And while sitting on a bench outside, you will surprise me by reading a word, then two, then three. Years later, I will find you with a flashlight in your room, reading a chapter book to your stuffed animals. I will quickly close the door and leave you be. On a spring evening walk, you will discover that you are taller than me, and walk about the stars and the planets and where we all come from. And when you are growing, you will read about things you've never known and haven't dared to dream. Then one day before you know it, on a blanket in a forest, you will read a story to your baby. About an acorn that drops to the ground. Wasn't that a cute little story? I thought it was. Hey, how many of you have read stories to your kids? Or how many of you have been read stories by your parents? Let me know with a thumbs up if your parents read stories to you. Just wondering if your parents read to you. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other book readings here I got on this channel. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a pleasant one and take care, everybody.